Hello! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make payments with Iziago and view your remittance history. Let's get started. Thanks to Iziago presets, you can enter domestic, international, and SEPA transfer remittances immediately after your subscription. Click on the button corresponding to the type of remittance you wish to create. Enter the information on the account to be debited, and in particular the URL of your bank website where you will upload the file. Click on Save. Indicate if the remittance contains ordinary, salary, or treasury transfers. If needed, modify or add remittance data. Click on Save. You can now add transfers to the remittance, either by entering transfer information directly or by importing a text file with Separator. If you want more information on importing a file, click on the Iziago Help button. Now, let's enter the remittance transfers. First, add a new creditor. Enter the creditor's data and bank account information. Click on Save. Enter the transfer amount and, if needed, modify the transfer currency. Iziago enables you to fill in all the fields that may be required by foreign banks. To fill in a field that is not included in the Quick Entry table, click on Save, then on the button to edit the transfer. Enter the fields required by the bank. Click on Save and then Back. Once you have created all the remittance transfers, you can apply a common motive to them. Click on Save. Note that all the transfer creditors are automatically registered in your third-party database so that they can be easily reused in future remittances. All you have to do now is download the remittance. Iziago automatically opens your bank website in a new tab for you to upload the file. Note that Iziago enables you to email or print transaction notices. If your remittance is recurring, we advise you to save it as a remittance template. This will allow you to create similar remittances quickly. Now, let's take a look at how to view your remittance history. To view your sent remittances, click on Follow-up Remittances. Search for the desired remittances. Then, click on a remittance to view its detailed information. To search for a sent transfer, click on Follow-up Transfers. Well, now you know how to make payments with Iziago. To modify the payment default parameters for your bank account, or add another account or company, click on the buttons of the Settings section in the dashboard, or use the Settings module.